It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the House of Sillage with WW1984. I'm going to spare you all the box, mainly because it's put away and like something's propped up on it, so I didn't feel like going through to dig it out. But let's just look at the bottle. Now, they did 2 releases of this fragrance. This is the original. The second one has a beautiful bottle too that has this cool star design on top, but the fragrance itself is the same. And this is designed to commemorate the Wonder Woman series. Now, Wonder Woman is my favorite superhero of all time. And so when this came out, I blind bought this. I was really happy to get it. And I say that because I don't like the fragrance. I'm just going to tell you right now, the fragrance doesn't do it for me. I don't even need to spray it, but I wanted to come on and tell you about it. It doesn't stink. It's just a bit mature for me. In fact, here are the notes. Bergamot, raspberry, Divana, pink pepper, orris, almond, Tolu balsam, vanilla absolute, and musk. So this is a 50-50 for me. I like 50% of the notes, and the other 50% of the notes I do not like. And the Divana, the pink pepper, the orris, those are notes I don't really care for that much because those all tend to go powdery and mature. Then the other ones are mainly gourmand notes, but the Tolu balsam, it can kind of go medicinal. But I don't dislike this, but I don't reach for this, if that makes sense. It's something that's nice to smell in the bottle here and there. It's nice to look at in the bottle because the bottle is ombre. House of Sillage's presentation is amazing. It goes from like a purplish to a red, a burgundy or whatever, and it goes into yellow. Like the colors are beautiful. How they managed to get this into this glass as far as the ombre effect is amazing. I love the cap. I love the collection for what it looks like. However, again, this fragrance is a bit mature for me. If you like sweet, mature smelling fragrances, this is great for you. I prefer fragrances that smell like they belong on a 10-year-old, but that's just me. If you'd like to try this, this is very hard to find because it's sold out on their website, and bottles of this are going for exorbitant amounts of money on different sites like Mercari and eBay. But I am decanting this, so if you want to try this, I've got about a half a bottle left, so get it while it's left because I don't reach for this. I'm just going to sell the rest of this as a decant. You can go to my website, whistlenotes.com, and I have different sizes available if you want to try it or have a decant for yourself. But I don't wear it. Again, it's not a bad fragrance. It's just not for me. But I wanted to put that out there in case many of you have not had an opportunity to smell it. You now have a chance to. But let me know, do you like WW84? Does it work for you? What kind of fragrances? You know what? If you like fragrances like Black Opium, like, who was that? Catalina Herrera's Good Girl. Fragrances like that, those fragrances both are very mature to me and smell mature on me. This is not like those, but it's kind of where if you like those other ones, you would like this. If you like those sweet, floral, spicy gourmands, you would really like this one. I like the bottle, but the scent just doesn't work for me. But until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.